welcome back to Freshen Up Friday. We're going to just run through our house real quick. We're going to jot down 3 things what we want to do in each of our rooms. I have already made my list, so we're going to go ahead and start tackling them. We're going to start with the dining room area. And in my dining room area, I chose mopping the floors, dusting, and wiping down the back door because there's smudges on my window. I'm going to start with dusting first, and I'm going to be using Orange Glow to help me dust with the Microsoft cloth. Hey guys, return to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys enjoy this Freshen Up Friday. And if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline, and I'm a mom of 3 teenagers. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to apologize that today's video is probably going to be a short one. Ryder has been very busy. He's having a rough week this week, wanting me to just stay in my room and watch TV, and also wanting to pick out my clothing. Like this dress today, I actually was wearing my vintage inspired dress because of Ryder. I had gotten it a couple days ago at a thrift store, and since I got in it, he always wants me to wear it. I like it, it's really cute, but after wearing it for a few days, I'm getting a little done with it. If you can see my smudge, there it is. You see that smudge right there? You can barely see it, but there's a smudge right here. I think Ryder put his face to the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down that. And then I also got a couple smudges over here. Let me see if I can get an angle shot. No, oh, right there. I got a couple smudges here. Right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that first. For my mopping, I'm just going to do a quick mop. I'm going to use the Method squirt mop and use my Cedar mop head.
Up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
I don't have too much to do here in the cozy room. All I have to do is straighten up a few items, picking up my grooming scissors and a pair of socks, and I'm also going to work on my floor.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, we're moving on to Ryder's room. Right now I stuck him upstairs, so I'm trying to get as much as I can. He's upstairs watching YouTube with Logan. So I have to make his bed. He got upset with me, so he decided to go ahead and thinking that, oh, I'm gonna take out my socks out of my drawer because it's gonna make Mama mad. So he did that. So I'm gonna pick up this mess, put his toys away, and also make his bed. Moving into the kitchen now, I'm going to be helping Sissy clean the kitchen. It's her week to do the dishes and keeping the kitchen tidy. Today we have a little overwhelming. She's been helping me with Ryder, so I wanted to help her out with these dishes.
I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Set out in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path, that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on
I'm going to be washing my placemat. I'm just going to scrub them up with some hot soapy water and then take them outside to dry.
my heart feel as much as I know it should.
Right here is some peanut butter that got put on the wall by one of the kids, so I'm going to be wiping that down real quick. And now all I did is I hung out our placemats outside. So I don't know if you can see it. I just stuck them on our chair out there so they could dry. And I am going to relax as much as I can before Ryder decides to find me again. I hope you guys enjoyed this Freshen Up Friday. I didn't get everything done, and that is okay. We're busy moms, and days like this, we just have to get as much as we can and the time we could do it. So I'm happy that Sissy kitchen is almost done. She could finish that herself. I just wanted to help with the majority of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. I know I didn't get a lot done. It was just a small freshen up the house. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and let me know what you guys are doing for this weekend. I believe we have a birthday party we're going to tonight, and then we're just gonna relax for the rest of the week.